India has made significant gains in improving availability of family planning methods over the past decades. However, it is estimated that there are more than 10 million unintended pregnancies in India. Many of them can be averted by improving access to contraceptives through supply chain innovations. This is Savita. She recently got married. She comes to a health center to get a contraceptive of her choice and finds out that it is currently out of stock. How will her life unfold now? She is at a risk of unintended pregnancy. That is why PATH has piloted an innovation aimed at reducing shortages of contraceptives in UP to help out women like Savita. We started our journey from Devi Patan division, which is in Uttar Pradesh, the most populated state in India. The stock availability in community health centers was less than 50%. The main reason for this is the lack of human and material resources available to the government. There is rarely a dedicated pickup of the stock from the parent warehouse. This leads to delays of replenishment and stockouts in facilities. PATH came up with an innovation to strengthen this entire supply chain by implementing a globally tested model adapted to India's needs, the informed push model. So, how does it work? First, the IPM team finalizes the route and inventory norms to cover the facilities in a certain region. They also support the pharmacist to monitor stock availabilities in those facilities through the Logistics Management Information System. The IPM team guides them to raise an indent requesting that commodity from the district warehouse. After that, the stock for the day is collected by the IPM team from the district warehouse and distributed to facilities. Upon arrival at the facility, the IPM logistician counts the stock and helps the pharmacist to update the stock availability data on the FP-LMIS app. At PATH, we engage stakeholders, work in synergy with the IPM team, devise SOPs, and closely monitor the on-ground operations to ensure systematic distribution of the commodities to facilities. Moreover, the IPM guarantees that the stock in local facilities is refreshed monthly. Over the last 6 months, IPM has been able to improve availability from less than 50% to more than 90% at the facilities. And how does Savita benefit from this? When she is to make a family planning choice, Savita is concerned with various factors: availability, husband's opinion, family opinion, personal preference, counseling by health worker, and so on. Therefore, we provide her with a basket of choice from which she can pick the commodity that suits her need the best. Yet, this is just the first step of our journey. If IPM is adopted for supply chain challenges in various states in India, a reliable system of distribution will be available to these states and millions of couples in India will benefit from improved availability of contraceptives. Together, we have the power to make this happen.